If your vacation rental still depends on you for every message, decision, and fix, you don't have a business. You've got a full-time job, and that never switches off. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to build simple systems that free your time, reduce stress, and help keep your rental moving smoothly even without you. Ever feel like your vacation rental runs only because you do? Well, you're not alone. Most owners are stuck doing everything themselves, and it's quietly capping their growth and draining their time. I'm going to show you how to stop being the bottleneck, even if you're too busy to fix it. Hi, I'm Gerry MacPherson, and I've spent over 30 years in hospitality, and I help vacation rental owners get more bookings and less stress, without losing the personal touch that makes guests come back. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to walk you through why being busy is actually the problem, the hidden signs you've become the bottleneck, and one simple shift that can free up hours every week. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to step back without things falling apart. So, busy isn't the problem. Dependence is. And this is where a lot of vacation rental owners get stuck. They think the issue is time. I just need more hours. I just need to catch up. But the real issue? Everything depends on you. And honestly, as an independent vacation rental owner, that can make sense. You care about your guests. You want everything done right, so you stay involved in everything. But slowly, you become the system. So here is what you should do instead. Stop asking, how do I do this faster? And start asking, how do I remove myself from this? For example, instead of replying to the same check-in message every time, write it once. Automate it. Now it happens without you. That's a really small change, but could have a big difference. So what are the signs that you are the bottleneck? You don't feel like a bottleneck. You feel responsible. So why does this happen? Because it shows up quietly, answering quick questions, double-checking everything, feeling uneasy when you step away. This is where you have to start spotting the patterns. If something repeats, it needs a system. If someone asks you twice, it needs clarity. For example, your cleaner text, what time is checkout? Guest asks, where's the Wi-Fi code? That's not a people problem, that's a missing system. With clarity, you remove interruptions. Before we continue, what's the one thing in your business that still depends on you every single time? Think about it and let me know in the comments. Control comes from systems, not effort. Most owners think control means being involved in everything. Because we've been told if you want to do it right, you have to do it yourself. But that does not scale. The real control comes from systems, not effort, not presence. Systems. Let me explain. A hotel owner doesn't check every guest in, but the process works every time. Why? Because it's documented. Systems create consistency. So here's your one shift. Build delegation-ready SOPs, or standard operating procedures. Here's where people overcomplicate things. They think systems need to be perfect. So they delay. I'll do it later. I'll set it up properly someday. Instead, start simple. Write down what you already do. That is your SOP. Guest check-in SOP. Send message at 3 p.m. Include door code. Share parking info. That's it. Simple systems beat perfect ideas. And here's the part that changes everything. Once it's written down, it can be automated, delegated, improved. And that's how you get your time back. Here are your key takeaways from this episode. Busy doesn't mean productive. Bottlenecks come from dependence. Repetition needs systems. SOPs create freedom. Control comes from design. If you want help putting all this into action, download the 7-day vacation rental Jumpstart. You can find a link in the show notes. It'll walk you through the exact systems to set up first without the overwhelm. And if you're ready to go deeper, I break all this and much more down step by step inside the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course, which is perfect for both current and aspiring vacation rental owners. You can find that link in the show notes as well. If this helped, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss future episodes. And if you like what we're doing here, feel free to buy us a coffee. Keeps us motivated to pump out more episodes. In the next video, I'm going to talk about why guessing your pricing is costing you bookings. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need the right next step. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.